Playhouse Disney. Cris Torres, food review outdoors.
Hello everyone. Today I was doing a Mountain Dew voltage. Sorry about that. That was the guy was roading in the tractor. He's making a lot of noise. So anyways, I'm gonna do a Mountain Dew voltage, and today it was the 17th anniversary of voltage. So we're gonna take this test. See how this goes. Okay. Last year was his 16th anniversary. Bad news, I didn't make a video about the 16th anniversary of Mountain Dew Voltage. The good news is I'm doing a video of the 17th anniversary. Of course, yes. They're not bad. Looks like it's raspberry. Well, yeah. Still the same thing. Same thing as that Mary's. Raspberry. Thanks very much for watching of the Mountain Dew Voltage 17th anniversary. Until I will see you in the next video.
Inside a Playhouse Disney.